today, this is what we've got to play with. We're unboxing the new Insta360 Invisible Dive Case. And I'm doing it in my kitchen because all the best studios in the world aren't available because I have no budget. So let's take a look. As usual with Insta products, it's nicely packaged. We have the dive case itself. Nice clean cloth. This is a nice little case to make sure the outside doesn't get scratched. These are the anti-fog inserts, and this is a wrench for doing up your GoPro type attachments for sitting on the end of the selfie stick. Like so. So what have we got? The case itself, 4 clips on the outside. It opens up like so. So now we're going to pop our Insta360 into the dive case. Pop it out of its little protective condom. Turn it on. Get the usual beeps. And super simple. We pop the dive case mode on. At that point, it's ready to insert into here. We make sure that the power buttons, here we go, are aligned with the power button on the side, because these 2 buttons are the only things that are going to work. Power button now allows us to change between modes. So we're going to take HDR and we're off. The bottom button starts recording. It's all a bit weird, but because we're not underwater. But hey, I'll pop some video in and stop again. Simple as that. It's all wet and horrible outside. The pool's freezing, so maybe we'll give it a go. Maybe this video will end up stopping here. We'll see what happens. That's the Insta360 case, Invisible Dive Case, unboxed and ready to get wet. So we've got the dive case on. This is the after effect of Storm Kieran, I think. Just come through. We've had 100 km/h winds. So let's go and have a look and see what is at the bottom of our pool. We'll extend it off and swap over the first thing we can see is that the stitching is awful out of the water. But the minute it goes in, boom, look at that. It's absolutely perfect. And our pool doesn't look awful, considering we've had 100 km/h winds blowing through. There's very little of the garden in it. But as you can see, I'm running along here. The stitching is absolutely perfect. All of these turns are happening within the Insta360 app. I didn't turn the camera at all. It remains completely static on the end of the selfie stick. And as you know, a little bit of issue with the color matching and the color grading, but as I turn it all the way through, the selfie stick doesn't come up. As soon as it's out, boom, it's awful. So yeah, works great underwater, terrible above water, but it's a dive case. What do you expect? So far 10 out of 10 Insta. Now we just need to quick trip to the Caribbean and test it out properly.